powerful moment in aviation history unfolds over the Stuart Airshow. In a breathtaking formation, past and present fly together in the legendary US. The modern era is the stealthy F-22 Raptor, flying alongside the agile F-16 and Fairchild Republic A-10 Thunderbolt 2. Completing the formation is a legend of World War II iconic North American P-51 Mustang. Together, these aircraft represent generations of air power, from the propeller-driven fighters to today's cutting-edge stealth technology. It's more than an airshow moment, it's a tribute to the history, power, and evolution of the United States Air Force.